Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will work about table in HTML. We start our work. First of all, we should add some basic codes. For this, this time I want to say you that we add doc type. Why we added this? We want to say our browser that our document type is HTML. Then we add another code. Why we added this? Because we want to say in the search engine optimization like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex and others that our document language is in English, to index it in English. If someone search in English, it will index your web page. Now we want to add height. In height, as I said you before, that we add our style sheet, JavaScript codes and some other codes in here, but we can add the title of website, some keywords of our website, favicon in here. Today we will add just title. We have added this code, this text, it is in here. After head, we will add our body. Now we want to add our table. For adding table, it's so important to use table tag at the first. Every table should start with this tag. After this, we should add some other codes. Now we want to add our table row. In table row, we want to add a table row. In our table row, we should add table data. We have added this for. Now we want to add another row. But we want to add some styling for our table. It's not like a table now. It hasn't any border, it hasn't any spacing. In here we want to add an attribute border. Border equal to 1. Now we want to add the weight. I want the weight should be 300 pixels. Now I want to add another attribute. SelfPadding 10. For SelfPadding, we should use this. It will add padding for our text from the border. And we have another code, another tag, which is cell spacing. It will add space between tables. Now we want to add alignment. I want the table should be aligned in the center. Now we can add some color for our we want to add a background color for only this one. For this we use I want this one should be red. This one should be green. And this one should be blue. We have learned this that how we can work with HTML to create table, row and table data. Now we learn how to merge two rows or two data. For merging two rows, we use row span. How we can use row span? We want to merge this one with this one. For this we should delete the second one first. Now in here in the third one we add attribute row span 2. We see that these two merge with each other. Now we want to merge data 1 with data 2. We delete the second one and we add in here call span 2. We have merged these two. Now we want to add a PG color for this. And this one should be yellow. We have learned how to do how to add how to merge two rows or two data. Now we want to add 3 parts for our table. For this we should delete this part. We will start from the first cuts. Now we should add T-height. We want to add T-height. T-body. And T-foot. We have added 3 parts for our table. In T-height, we want to add a row for the title of our table. We use table row. For this one, 2 table row. For this one, a table row 2. Now we want to add some rows. We want to add 3 rows. And here we use TH. Why we have used TH? Because we want the header or a table header should be a little different from the others. And here we add header 1. We see in that we have added header for this, and we change the weight to 500. Now on the cell padding to cell spacing to 0. We have added our header. Now we want to add body. For this, TD. For this too. We have added our data. Now we want to add our folder. For footer, we change this to we added footer too. It's now too easy for us to change a style for this. We want to add some style for the footer. For the footer, we use an attribute BG color. We add yellow for Tissot, and it will change the photo color. For T-height, we change the to blue, and the font color. For changing the color, we use this attribute. color white. We want to change this color to white. Now for the T-body, we want to change the background color. We want to change the color to wood. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Have a nice day.